In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to update the payment method on VRBO. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your VRBO app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the account settings page. There you're going to find the option of payment preferences depending on whether you are a guest or a property owner. From there you can add a new credit card, edit an existing card or update your billing information. VRBO officially says that you can manage saved cards through the payment preferences and manage subscription sections for eligible accounts. If you are a traveler with an upcoming bookings, things can work a little differently depending on how the host processes payments. Some hosts use VRBO's built-in payment system while others use third-party payment processors. In those cases, you may not see a direct option to edit your payment method for an existing reservation. Many users report needing to contact the host directly or wait for the next payment request before entering updated card details. So this way you are able to update the payment method on VRBO. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.